Hey there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this grateful tile. This project really makes me smile just because of how adorable it is. The squirrel is just beyond cute, and I love all of the different little floral pieces in it as well. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this project. The first thing you're going to do is paint your tile in orange paint. Make sure you cover the front and the sides. You are more than likely going to have to do at least 2 coats of paint. So you will do 1 coat of paint, let it dry completely, and then add a second coat of paint. Next, you will cut a small square out of the green paper. Grab your wooden circle and cover the top of it with Mod Podge. You will then place the green paper on top of the circle. Flip the circle over and then cut around the wooden circle so that the paper is just along that edge. Take your sanding block and sand around the edges of the circle. You want to make sure that that extra paper comes off and that the paper lines up with the edge of the circle. On your circle, you will put the squirrel sticker right in the middle, and then the little grateful banner at the very bottom of the circle. Out of the orange floral paper, cut a 4x4 square. Cover the top of the tile with Mod Podge, and then place that 4x4 piece of paper on top. Place Mod Podge on the back of the wood circle and then put it in the middle of the tile. Place the floral sticker on the wooden circle, but in the top left. Cut a large piece of jute rope, and you will attach both ends by creating a hanger, and you will use hot glue to adhere the rope to the back of the tile. Now your tile is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.